Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Abhilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of gold USD. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. So my dear friends, the market is open and we can see that right after the market opening, gold showed some upside. We were expecting upside, but the upside was not huge. Gold made a high of 2057, 2058, and we can see that right now gold is going down, and or you can say the gold is retracing. We got the upside we were waiting for. I got the exit opportunity, but the upside was not satisfactory. And the reason was market has digested the fact that there was a airstrike on the US and UK on Yemen. And as we all know it very well, that market has a very good and strong digestion. So we can expect that in the coming days, market will be behaving like a normal market. Okay, so if we look at the economic calendar, you can see that today there is bank holiday on US, as a result of which USD pairs or US dollar pairs may be slow. Okay, so be careful. Do not expect a huge move in the market. In case market shows some momentum, volatility, then be careful as well, because when there is less volume in the market, there is also a higher chance of market manipulation. And if you look at DXY, we can still see that DXY is silent. DXY is trading inside the range. Not much to discuss. Whatever we discuss on Saturday are still very much valid. In case of gold also, the level we discuss, the trading opportunities we discuss on Saturday are still very much valid. My dear friend, if you're looking for detailed analysis, please watch the video that I uploaded on Saturday, because I do not want to repeat the same stuff and bore you again. So the formation of the red candles are showing that we also have a double top formation on the chart of gold right now. Double top is a trend reversal pattern. So if the retracement continues like this, then there is a possibility that we may get to see a trend reversal on gold as well, because the market has digested the airstrike or the war-like situation, and more or less market is behaving like a normal market. So markets or gold's behavior in this particular portion will be very important. So the best resistance on the chart of gold is still around 2080, and we have a huge zone around 2072 to 2080. If market reverses, we can look for a sell. That level is still very much valid. Buy above 2065 that we discussed on Saturday is also very much valid. But market's reaction, market's behavior around 2060 to 2065 will be very important, because right now we can see the market is forming a double top kind of a pattern, and if market fails to go up, then we may get to see some downside as well. So if you're holding a sell position, and that will be very nice for you. And in case market goes up, still you need to observe the market around this particular portion of the market, because we have sellers sitting around this area. I do not want to explain, okay, why we think that sellers are present here. If you want, then you can watch the video on Saturday. And as of now, on Monday, if we look at the chart of gold, I don't think so that we are going to have a big fall like this. In the coming days, if market breaks 2040, then we can consider that, okay, finally we are having a downside. But as of now, we don't have any signs or symptoms yet. So as a result, okay, it's very difficult to tell right now. So right now, if you ask me, Avilash, where should we go for buy and sell? I'll just advise, or I'll just suggest that in this situation right now, if you have any ongoing position, you can be with the trade right now, whether it is buy or sell, because we do not have much clarity on the market right now. The fundamental factor that was pushing gold towards the upside is gone. Okay, so as a result, so we need to observe right now whether the fundamentals or the technicals will be dominating the market. And around 2040, yes, we do have some support. If you're a day trader, then you can look for some buy around this area. So how much you can expect? 40 to 50 pips you can expect. And if you're looking for a big trade where you can score 100, 200 pips, then I think that you need to wait a little longer. Okay, if market breaks 2040, then we may get to see a big downside on the chart of gold, where you can expect a big move of 150 to 200 pips in that case. But as of now, 2040 will be a key level for the market right now. So this is a 15 minutes chart of gold in front of us right now, and this chart is specially for day traders. And I'm also a day trader. So as a day trader, okay, my dear friend, I'll be looking for a buy around 2038, 2040 that I was just mentioning. And you can see that above 2038, we also have some support around 2044 as well, 2044. So my dear friend, we have support around these two levels. So as a day trader, if market comes down to this level, I'll be looking for a buy position again, because right now, okay, we do not have any strong signs of trend reversal yet, though we can clearly see that we have a double top on the chart, because in double top pattern we go for a sell when market breaks the neckline here, and this is the neckline in front of us. But I think that if market breaks 2040, then only we will get a clear sign that finally the neckline is gone, the head is gone, and market is going down. So I think as a day trader, we still can look for buy positions around these two areas, where as a day trader we can look for 40 to 50 pips. But as of now, hold on your present trades, because market is still little tricky right now, because we don't know whether the market will be going up or whether the market will be going down. Flexibility is very important for a trader. We need to react, we need to behave according to the market situation. Market doesn't react, market doesn't behave according to our prediction or expectations, and we need to remember that. So if market goes up, observe the market around 60, 65 area. If market reversal, we can look for a sell. If market breaks, if you see the market is standing at the resistance with a big green candle, look for a buy above 2065, and then exit around 70 level, and then look for a sell again around 70, 80 area. Clear? In case market goes down, we do not have any sure shot levels, because the reliable support levels of 2019-80 are far away from the current market price. But still we can look for some sort of support around 2044, 2038, 40 area, the levels that we discussed right now. If market takes support and shows some sort of price rejection from below, as a day trader we can look for a buy position. But if market breaks 2040, 2038 level, then yes, selling pressure will come on gold. And not only day traders, in fact the swing traders can also take a sell below 2040 as well. 2080 is also a good level, and around 2080 I think not only day traders, in fact the swing traders can also look for a sell position, and it can be a big trade as well. So 2080 is a key level on the chart of gold right now. So the present behavior of gold will be very, very important, and how it reacts around this particular portion of the market. So let's wait and watch. See you tomorrow. Bye bye, take care.